In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a sheet in Smartsheet. Copying a sheet is really useful when you already have a layout, structure, or process that works, and you want to reuse it without rebuilding everything from scratch. Maybe you've set up a project template, a tracking sheet, or a recurring process that you use every week or every month. Instead of starting over each time, you can simply duplicate the existing sheet, keep what you need, and then update the details. First, open Smartsheet and look to the left side of your screen for the Browse panel. This is the area with the folder icon in the left sidebar. If the panel is collapsed, click that folder icon to expand it. You should now see your workspaces, folders, and sheets listed there. Next, find the sheet you want to copy in that Browse panel. Once you see it, move your mouse over the sheet name and right-click on it. This opens a context menu with several options related to that sheet. From that menu, look for the option that says Save as New and click it. This is the command that tells Smartsheet to create a new sheet based on the one you selected, instead of just saving changes to the original. After you choose Save as New, a window will pop up asking you for some details. Here, you'll want to give your new sheet a clear and descriptive name. Think about how you'll recognize it later. For example, you might include a date, a project name, or the word Template Copy, so it's obvious what this sheet is for. In this same window, you'll see checkboxes that let you decide what to carry over from the original sheet. You can choose to bring across data and formatting, automated workflows, and forms. If you're creating a true template and do not want old data, you might uncheck the data while keeping the formatting. If you rely on automations, like alerts or reminders, make sure automated workflows is checked so those rules copy over. And if you use forms to collect information, keep the forms option checked so they stay connected to your new sheet. Once you've renamed the sheet and selected exactly what you want to copy, go ahead and click Save. Smartsheet will create your new sheet based on those settings. You'll now see the new version appear in your Browse panel, ready for you to open and start using right away.